Hey there, garden lovers! Welcome to Craft Drawer. Today, I'm excited to share with you a stunning ground cover rose that's sure to add a pop of color to your garden, the Peach Drift Ground Cover Rose. Let's dive in and explore its beautiful features. I received the Peach Drift Rose from Nature Hills Nursery. I will leave the link below where you can get your rose plants and more delivered to your home. It's a great place to order plants, trees, shrubs, and more. Last year, I received a French manicure hydrangea from Nature Hills, and it's a beautiful plant to watch grow. If you want to learn more, check out my other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. The Peach Drift Ground Cover Rose is a floriferous dwarf shrub that produces an abundance of soft peach blooms from mid-spring to the first freeze of late fall. With its compact growth habit, it's perfect for borders, containers, or mass plantings. His rose thrives in full sun and well-drained soil with moderate moisture. It's hardy in growing zones 4 to 11, making it suitable for a wide range of climates. Let's take a look at its growth habits. To keep your Peach Drift Rose looking its best, prune it in early spring. This will encourage new growth and promote more blooms. It's also pollinator-friendly and fragrant, making it a great addition to any garden. There is a tremendous richness to the flowers, with a fascinating depth of color. Tiny buds are a tightly held orange promise that unfurls to show off their delicate pale peach petals. The bees and butterflies will go wild. Be sure to clip a few sprays to use in your cut flower arrangements. They bloom in lavish successive flushes all through the growing season. Trim them regularly and use them to decorate your interior tables. Beautiful dark green foliage makes a wonderful foil for the plentiful blooms. You'll love their compact size and repeat blooming nature all growing season long. Drift roses perform beautifully all across the country. Hardy throughout chilly USDA growing zone 4, through hot and humid hardiness zones 4 to 11, and there is little that will phase these flowers. You'll never grow tired of them. Although this plant has many admirable features, one of the best has to be the versatility of Peach Drift Rose. It is a great mixer or fill plant that can brighten and polish sunny areas throughout your yard. Their showy blooms blend so beautifully with other perennials in any landscape style, from cottage gardens to contemporary and everything in between. Peach Drift easygoing spreading habit and colorful blooms look amazing with evergreen shrubs and trees. Buds start orange, open to soft peach blooms, and they are butterfly magnets. Want to know more about these and other roses? Just click on the link below to find out everything about roses. That's it for the Peach Drift Ground Cover Rose. With its stunning peach blooms and low-maintenance care, this rose is sure to be a hit in your garden. Thanks for watching.